install Kairu the Dolphin. An official installer was made for loading Kairu the Dolphin in Microsoft Office 97. To do this, all you have to do is load the installation package on a computer with an existing copy of Office 97 selected from the Assistant menu, and you're done. You can also hand integrate it into a custom installation of Office 97 using the network installation wizard included in the Office 97 resource kit, which I have archived. It's a little more complicated in Office 2000 and 2003, as no such official installer exists. The best way I've found is to download the dolphin.acs file and copy it to the Office directory where Microsoft Office is installed. Then, you can modify the registry so that the loaded assistant file is dolphin.acs. This will set Kairu as the active assistant and make him available in the assistant menu. To install Kairu as a search assistant in Windows, go to your Windows directory, and in there, find the directory Search Assist, then Cars. Copy dolphin.acs in there. Then, when you go to select a new assistant in the search interface, Kairu should be selectable. That's it. You're now on your way to making your Microsoft environment a little better, and you can show everyone the full extent of Cetacean supremacy.
I think I'll go into the tape cassette collection. What? This is stupid. And idiom. Office 97.
How to install Kairu the Dolphin. An official installer was made